What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily earn money online fast and for free in 2019. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm gonna show you a really fast and easy way on how to earn money online today here. It's going to be a short one, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we'll save that for the end of this video because this is a perfect opportunity to get started with and make some extra money and fast. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the site that we're going to today is wolfpoints.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site. You can see here we partnered with thousands of advertisers. These advertisers will reward you for your time and engagement. Earn points by taking part in surveys, downloading apps, joining sponsored giveaways, trying out products and more. And you of course exchange your Wolf points with cash and gift cards. This is a cool, nice animated video. You can have a look at it. No need for me to play it here. So I'll scroll down and here's how they explain how everything works. So you earn points, you exchange your points with cash and gift cards. You can see here you can actually also make money by referring. You cash out with gift cards and you can see that they have timely payouts also. So they offer you a variety of earning opportunities like taking surveys, downloading apps, trying products and services, joining sponsored giveaways, and of course also referring friends and colleagues. You can see here rewards. Here are big names. We're talking about iTunes, G2A, Xbox Live, Amazon, and let's see if we just have a look at this. You can see there is Walmart, and of course many more here. So there is an FAQ here at the bottom, so if you have a look at it, they actually claim that they pay you more than other reward sites. They offer you flexible cash out options including cash via PayPal, virtual credit cards, plus a variety of gift cards to choose from. Besides, their offers are simple, organized and easy to complete. It can be actually a bit tricky for some of the sites here to complete some tasks which you're definitely not making money with. So not to mention adding more earning opportunities for our users daily so they can keep on earning every single day and never run out of offers. The biggest reason, what they claim here, is they respect the users and always pay them on time. How cool is that? Okay. So how much are Wolf points worth? 1 Wolf points is worth 1 cent, which means 100 Wolf points is worth $1. The minimum cash out is the reason that you can get paid fast, and you can see here you can cash out your points via PayPal when your account reach 100 points, which are equal to $1. So when you have reached 100 points, which is $1, you can actually cash out. So it goes really fast, and there is a few sites around that you need to come up to $25-50 or something, which you feel that it's totally impossible to reach that level to cash out the money. But this is how you can earn some money fast, really. I mean, $1 is so easy to reach to those points, so you can cash out fast. So that is the cool thing with Wolf points here. Now, how much can I earn when I refer someone? So you will earn a 10% commission for life, and when that user refers someone, you will also earn yet another 5% commission. This is what is called tier 2 commissions, okay? So you will actually earn another 5% for the users that they sign up under. Okay, we have users who make a full-time income just by referring users here actually. So you can actually just focus on doing that if you want to. These users understand that the pack of wolves is much better than a lone wolf, so they help others and enjoy the rewards. And you can see here what is my earning potential. Now, your earning potential depends on many factors such as your country, your device, and preferred offers. We have users that earn thousands of dollars in cash and rewards every month, while we also have users that only earn pocket money. So it's totally up to you, of course, also how much work you put in here, because you definitely need to work on it a bit. But as I said, probably most of you, they won't make you rich with this kind of opportunity like Wolf Points here. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Alright, wolfpoints.com. If you got some value on this video, make sure to hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Don't leave yet. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, entrepreneurship, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.